Welcome back to Fix Your Apps. In this video on how to save a GIF on WhatsApp, we'll show you how to save those fun and expressive GIFs to your device. If you're ready to learn, you're in the right place. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more helpful tutorials like this one. Step 1. First, open WhatsApp on your Android device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Next, locate and open the conversation that contains the GIF you want to save. This can be a chat with a friend, a group, or any other thread. Step 3. Now, scroll through the chat until you find the GIF you'd like to save. Take your time if it's an older message. Step 4. Once you've found the GIF, tap on it to open it fully. This will expand the GIF and show it in detail. Step 5. Look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 vertical dots. Tap on them to open a menu. Step 6. From the menu that appears, select the Save option. And that's it. The GIF will now be saved to your device's gallery. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.